Before you begin to braze, preparing your tubes and fittings is one of the most important things you need to do. Your metal surfaces must be absolutely clean, because if they're dirty, capillary action can't work properly.
And capillary action is crucial to brazing. It's the scientific phenomenon that allows a molten alloy to be drawn into the joint between two metal parts.
That being said, if any of the surfaces are contaminated with grease or debris, the brazing filler metals may not adhere and your joint will have significantly less strength. Granted, if you're fabricating HVAC units, you're typically working with brand new tubing and parts. However, if you notice they're dirty or greasy, make sure to clean them, otherwise your joint could end up compromised. Cleaning metal parts isn't difficult, but you need to do it in the right order. Remove oil and grease first with a solvent or water, and then oxides can be removed with an abrasive, like an emery cloth. Once your parts are clean, it's a good idea to flux and braze right away so your parts don't get recontaminated. Otherwise, you'll have to clean all over again. Now that the parts are clean, it's time to flux. In the next video, we'll cover fluxing and how it works.